Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. Welcome to Maker Monday. We're going to learn quite a few things tonight. Let's get into it.
How to create a pie chart in Microsoft Excel. Why use a pie chart? When using Excel, your data can be quite large. A pie chart is a visual aid that will help you understand your data better. Typically speaking, a pie chart best shows pieces of data that contribute to a whole. For example, a pie chart could show each individual item in an expense report. When shown in a pie chart, it could help you see outliers or expenses that are really eating at your total budget. The pie chart on the right was generated from a personal budget. In this example, you can see a lot of expenses include rent and food. This person could save money by buying cheaper food and not eating out as much. How to generate a pie chart. Open your Excel spreadsheet from which you want your chart to be generated from. Click Insert on the top menu bar and click the pie icon under the Chart section. You can choose between 2D and 3D charts. Choose whichever tickles your fancy the most. Afterwards, you will want to select your data range for your chart. Select this under Chart Design. Chart Formatting. Once you have inserted a pie chart, next will be inputting your data. Click on Select Data under the Chart Design tab. In the Chart Data range, click and drag the data you want to be included in your chart. On the left side of the dialog box you are on is your legend entries, your data. On the right side are the labels for the horizontal axis. By default, the labels will be listed in number format, 1, 2, 3, and so on. You can change these labels by clicking Edit on the Axis Label side. By default, your series will be named Series 1, Series 2, etc. You can change these as well as the data included in it by clicking Edit. Chart formatting continued. After you properly named your labels and series names, you may want to change the appearance of your pie chart. You can change the layout by clicking and dragging an item in the chart or by using the Quick Layout button under the Chart Design tab. If you want your numbers to display percentages, category names, etc., you can do that by clicking on your data and using the Format Data Labels contextual menu. You can also control the colors of each item in your pie chart, the position of the data labels, text direction, alignment, and more under the menu. All done! After you complete your finishing touches, you are essentially finished creating your pie chart. Picture to the right will be what a completed pie chart might look like when it's located next to its contextual data. Thanks for attending the presentation. If you have any questions, please let me know.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more Maker Monday videos, check out this playlist. You can also learn more about the JCPL CreatorSpace at www.jesspublib.org/CreatorSpace.